Lord and Grex Peak, a warning to those who think we are weak. From the Cardamom Hills to the Mekong's wide flow, the blood of the Angkorian builder still glows. You step on, I saw you threaten our gate, but you do not know the Khmer's heavy weight. We are the children of the empire of old, with hearts made of iron and spirits of gold. We seek only peace, the lotus in bloom, but bring us a sword and you meet with your doom. The border is drawn by history's hand. We die before losing 1 inch of this land. Rise up, Cambodia, the flag enters the sky for the white temples. We are ready to die. Not a step backward, not a stone overturned. From the lessons of history, our courage is learned. Let the invaders see, let the neighbors behold. The sovereignty of Khmer is a story untold. We stand like the mountain, we strike like the storm, to keep our beloved Kampuchea safe and warm. You look at Priya Vihar and covet the stone, but the soul of that cliff is ours alone. It was built by our fathers with sweat and with prayer. No foreign foot has the right to be there. Don't mistake our kindness for fear in the night. When the Naga awakes, it is ready to bite. United we stand from the field to the town. No force from the west will ever tear us down. Listen to the ancestors calling from the earth. Defend the sacred ground that gave you your birth. For the king, for the nation, for the religion we hold. The line in the dust is precise and bold. Back, turn back, the soil is not yours. We are the guardians of the ancient door. The sky for the white temples. We are ready to die. Not a step backward, not a stone overturned. From the lessons of history, our courage is learned. Let the invaders see, let the neighbors behold. The sovereignty of Khmer is a story untold. We stand like the mountain, we strike like the storm, to keep our beloved Kampuchea safe and warm. Long live the